Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how to access analytics in Reddit. To access analytics in Reddit, you need to follow these steps. First thing, to access your post analytics on Reddit, you can navigate to profile. You could just tap on the avatar icon, go to profile section from the list, click on post. Then what here you could do is once you are on the profile and tap post, for each post you will see a bar icon or a bar graph icon. You will click on the icon to view the post for a full and slide. And what here you need to do is you could also use the mode tools. Moderator can access analytics through the mode tools. You could also check the community activity within the mode tools. Look for a community activity to see metrics like members, new members, views, and unique. And this way you'll be able to access the post. Now in my case, I don't have any sort of post at the moment. So here you should be able to see the analytics right on this field. So that's how it works. I hope your video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.